Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can add tags to a project or a particular task in Asana. So firstly, open up a project which you want to add a tag in. So I will just simply go inside a project. Then over there just simply create a new task. Let's say task 1. Then I will just simply choose a assignee, then a due date. Then just simply click on details over here. Then what you have to do is just simply hold tab and T on your keyboard, which will bring up the tags over here. And over here, as you can see, I already have few tags. Let's create a new tag. So for that, I will create YouTube video. So after writing the name, just simply click on create tag for YouTube videos. And then just simply give a color to the tag. Let's say blue. Then click on the task page over here. Then just simply go to customize and make sure to enable tags over here. Then as you can see, the tag section just appeared and the tag is set as YouTube videos. So that's how you can add tags in a project in Asana. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.